Welcome to Time Out.
Hi, welcome to Time Out Season 3.
And this season we're doing snacks and ladders. Snacks and ladders.
Yes, snacks and ladders because moms are doing snacks for kids to take to school. Right, Daria?
Yeah.
This is a really healthy, yummy snack that moms can make for kids to take with them because they're just round chocolate balls full of nuts, oats, and yummy things. Right, Daria?
Yeah.
So we're making muesli chocolate balls.
Chocolate muesli balls. And the ingredients are muesli, dark chocolate.
And it's literally just that. It's muesli and chocolate, melted chocolate. Right, Daria?
Yeah.
So we're gonna just put everything into a bowl, mix, make them into round little balls, and we're done.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's go. First, take muesli.
Okay.
Put lots of it. Just put as much as you want. Okay, now that we've put the muesli, put the melted chocolate in.
Okay.
So here you can use milk chocolate, dark chocolate. Daria happens to love dark chocolate, so we've used 50% dark. You can use white chocolate even, anything that you like. All right, put it in. Good job.
Mama, won't you let me taste a little bit?
Of the chocolate?
Yes.
Sure. Let's take a spoon. Take a spoon from there. Okay. Take a little bit of the chocolate. Okay, try it. It's hot though. Be careful.
I like it.
Of course you like it. It's your favorite, dark chocolate. All right. I'm gonna take this other spoon, and what we have to do now, Daria, is oh no, don't put that back in. Now what we have to do is take the spoon and mix it like this. Okay? Mix it.
The chocolate is so yummy inside.
Yeah, the chocolate's so yummy inside. So here you can even add more muesli. You can add more nuts. If you like cashew nuts, if you like pumpkin seeds, anything you like that's crunchy, you can add those in there as well. Also, another thing about this recipe is if you want to have the balls a little harder, if you want them to be, you know, a little more crunchy when you're ready to eat them, you can even make them the night before and put it in the refrigerator as balls, and then you can just open your refrigerator, put them in a box, and you're good to go. And if you've made them fresh, you can just turn them into little balls and put them out to eat. Okay, Daria, now we're gonna put them into we're gonna make them into little balls and put them in here.
Okay, Mama.
Okay?
But
You don't want to get your hands dirty?
no. No, Mama, I don't want
Okay, just this once, I will do it. I will sacrifice myself and make these little balls for you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so basically to harden it, you'll have to put it in the fridge, but I have made it fresh for Daria, so we're just gonna go ahead and try them, right, Daria? Okay, so here, take a spoon. No. Daria, I need you to take a break from licking your chocolate off your fingers. Can you give me a spoon? Thank you. Okay, here. Here, I'm gonna scoop up some and here, try it. Because of the chocolate, right? There you have it. Something healthy with a coat of chocolate makes everything better, right?
Mama, why you put muesli in everything?
Because muesli is good for you. It's healthy, and these ones are organic, so they go down really nicely, right, Daria? All right, we're gonna go and enjoy this. And like I said, if you want them to harden, then you just put them in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. They will become hard, and you can always just coat them with more muesli or a little bit of coconut. Daria is allergic to coconut, so I didn't do that, but you can do that if you want. Or a little bit of cocoa powder, though that tends to get a little bitter, so it all depends on you and your likes. All right, that's all the time we have for now. Please subscribe. Bye.